Welcome to my brief video on my Stabby Starship Landing system. This crazy idea that's probably only worth a few minutes needed to watch this video, so I hope you get a good chuckle out of it. The system is intended for the initial landings on Mars. You have unprepared terrain to land on, and limits to what you can carry. If you drop rovers to prepare a landing pad with sky cranes like the last couple of rovers have done, you're having your payload at the least. If you can land a ship without doing that, you can justify quite a lot of adjustments on a ship that cost less capacity. The function of this is simple. The ship comes down to a hover over the target point at a predetermined altitude and speed, shuts off the engines, dropping the ship and driving the spikes at the base into the soil. If all goes well, the ship is landed safe, intact, and upright. I'll not go into the various reasons you'd want to do this. Plenty has been said on that, from simply using the tanks to renovating them into habitat space. You can look that up on your own. This also keeps the ship in a launchable state. You can do everything from launch it again if absolutely needed to salvaging the parts and materials. In some ways, it probably comes in with other ideas. Anything you can do from enlarged RCS thrusters like they're doing on the Artemis system, to dropping the rovers, as previously mentioned, to build a pad first will cost you at least some mass and volume, and it can be, and I doubt that a Raptor on a fully loaded Mars ship will be able to throttle down enough to not dig a hole that compromises a landing zone. It's really just a crazy idea. But someone more familiar with it's just serious enough that someone more familiar with the numbers should be able to prove it out back of the envelope. It's probably not worth doing more than that. So hopefully the chuckle was worth a couple of minutes, and have a nice day.